Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm nonoki. For those of you who don't know me, and for my returning subscribers, you know what it is, baby. Yay! Okay, so it is a Good Friday today, and I did not go to church. This is day one of my Insta weekend vlog. Yeah, this is day one of my Insta weekend vlog. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy, and I can see you guys are watching my videos, but you are not watching the whole entire thing. But it's fine, it is what it is. If I shall allow and time goes on, when you found out me, but anyway, I am in the cooking committee today, so you are going to be cooking with me for Tuesday, right? I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but we will see as the timer goes. I did my hair yesterday, because right now I don't feel like taking it out. But yeah, before kissing go keep going to babbling water, let me go and cook. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Peace. Oh, it looks new. Okay, hello. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm visiting. Yeah. So, guys, please eating more this channel in it. Look follow it number 2. And I'm going to untag more video yeah, let's go follow one. So, how are you guys?
Active.
Yeah.
It's not active, guys. Active. Follow my key channel now. Yeah, like it's over. Yeah, I wanted to give you my sister's what, but yeah.
Hello, I come back. I get more Paris. I remember to go to so I come back. Someone will chico. Oh, I don't tell you. Can I keep for mama? You're gay. Hey guys, so now I'm done with what I was doing. You remember what I was doing earlier? The only thing left for me to do now is the meat and pasta, because I'm substituting rice with pasta. So I'm waiting for my sister with the pasta. She went to buy it. My mom thought it's in the house, but it's not. It's finished because I cooked with it last week. And then what else? Yeah, that's it. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna cook those two, and then I'm gonna be done with cooking. After that, I'm gonna bath, and maybe I'm gonna chill with my friend a bit. I don't know, we will just see as the day progresses. But I can't really record in the house because of music. Like, there's really loud music, so I'm trying to record now because my mom's listening to radio and there's someone speaking, but I think you can still hear it, but it's not as loud as music. So yeah, I'm in the bedroom, by the way. So yeah, that's what's happening now. But I'll talk to you guys as the day goes. I will talk to you guys. So for now, it's goodbye from me to you. Hey guys. So hey guys. Hey guys.
We're out here.
We outside. We outside. Okay, so we are here to watch soccer. It's my sisters and I and my brothers and my brothers. It's full. It's a full. Give vibes on vibes on vibes on vibes. You know. So yeah. Guys, little born. I told you guys it's going to be an exciting weekend, right? So yeah. Guys. Bye. Peace. Hey guys, tell me why did it rain? I wanna put this one here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, so what I'm saying is, tell me why did it rain? And a person had to run, guys. Like I literally had to run. But I think today on its own, it's a vlog. So I'm just gonna include today. I'm just gonna put today as it's today, and then tomorrow I'll do like another one. So I think this is the end of the video. That was the last match that we watched. So this is the end of my video. Let me say hi to my channel.
Hi.
Hi everybody.
How are you?
This is the end of my day. It ends here because for sure nothing's gonna happen after this. It just gotta go home and chill. And yeah. So peace. See you tomorrow. Bye.